Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a tripod mount for your phone, for your cameras, or whatever you guys want to use it for. That's up to you guys. But first thing first, let's actually open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like and what comes in the package first. Alright, so when we first open it up, you can see that is basically what it looks like inside. So it looks like they provide you guys a battery. So you can probably use this for the remote that they have for you guys. And this is a Bluetooth remote, so you can actually pair it onto your phone. You guys can use it as a remote to take photos when you guys actually use a tripod to do selfies, videos, or whatever. So if you guys open up this part right here, so inside they do provide you guys the battery right here, but they do provide you guys an extra one just in case. And the way how you guys activate this Bluetooth remote right here is by pressing it down, and you should see a red light blinking. And then once that's connected, you guys can actually pair it onto your device and you guys start using it as a Bluetooth remote. But now let's take a look at the actual product itself right here. So if you can see, this is basically what the product looks like right here. So it's kind of like a gorilla pod, and you can see how it's flexible right here. So you can move it different angles however you guys want to. You guys can use this to grip it onto like a tree or wherever you guys want to. The material on the actual tripod itself definitely feels really nice. You can definitely feel the material right here will have a very nice grip. If you guys do grip it onto like a pole, if you guys want to grip it onto like a tree branch, whatever you guys want to do, that's up to you guys. On the top part right here, you can definitely screw it onto like a camera if you guys want to. Or if you guys have a phone mount, you guys can use that as well. And right here, you can use the button right here to loosen this part here if you guys want to. You guys can go 360. And if you guys want to go down here, you can definitely do that as well. And if you guys want it to stay there, just turn this knob right here. And it'll be really hard to move this part here. And then for this part right here, if you guys want to loosen up this part here, you guys can actually take this part out if you guys want to. But I don't want to take it out, so I'm going to screw it back on. And then this is basically what the tripod looks like. If you can see, that's the furthest it can go that way. So it definitely is a pretty awesome product right here that you can use for any kind of devices. Like I mentioned, you can use it on your camera, you guys can use it on your phones. As long as you guys have like the phone clip or the phone mount, they can definitely use it on here. So for this one, it doesn't include like the phone mount for you guys to use if you guys do want that option. So you definitely have to get your own one since it's not included. But if you guys want my suggestion of which one I prefer to use or what I've been using, I've actually been using this phone mount right here. All you need to do is just open this here and this side right here, and unscrew this part right here to loosen it up, and then grip your phone in here and turn the knob back to hold it in place. So let's say for example my phone right here, if I want to put it in here like this, clamp it back in, tighten it up. Alright, so we're all good. And I do have the little part right here to screw it onto your tripod. Alright, turn it all the way, and it's all set. So this is basically how you guys use this product right here. So you definitely use it as a tripod, or you can use it as a selfie stick and everything. You guys can do selfies or start recording yourself doing vlogs or whatever. And if you guys are wondering what is the range for the Bluetooth for the remote itself, it's around 33 feet. So if you guys go any further than that, it probably won't work. So that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we could unboxing and test the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that any kind of like flexible tripod that is very similar to this is definitely super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are like traveling by yourself and you guys want to set it up somewhere where it has like a pole or like a tree or something. You guys can definitely use this to like grip it on there by flexing it like this, which is super awesome. And the fact that it's so lightweight and portable makes it even more worth it, which is really, really cool. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for the unboxing and testing the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video, make sure to click on that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.